This workshop will focus on understanding risk representation in agriculture. We all know that farming involves risky decisions. Outcomes are never certain. Yields vary, prices move, and seasons turn out differently than expected. So how do we try to deal with this uncertainty? One way is by thinking in probabilities. We ask questions like, how likely is this to pay off? Or what's the chance this could go badly?
That sounds straightforward, but in practice, interpreting probability is not easy. One of the key challenges is how the data is presented.
The same underlying data can be understood in very different ways, depending on how it's visualised. Some people are more comfortable with certain types of graphs or summaries than others. For you, one style might feel intuitive, while others feel confusing or unhelpful.
In this session, we'll focus on one specific data set to explore these differences. The data was generated using ApeSim and compares outcomes from two different nitrogen rates.
Throughout the workshop, the data itself does not change. What changes is only how it is shown. Each one is simply a different way of representing the same underlying information. These figures all aim to represent the core concepts of risk by presenting variability and possible outcomes. Now, let's move into the interactive part of the workshop. For each presentation style, we'll ask how useful it would be if you were using it to make a decision.
Remember, there are no right or wrong answers here. The aim is to slow down, notice how different presentations influence understanding, and discuss how this improves decision-making.
By working through this, we can ensure that future research and tools are communicated more clearly and effectively to growers.